Hi, my friends. Good day. Hope you are very well. This is Vicky Ho from Traffic Greenhouse. To make sure you can better know our greenhouse proposal, I make a video to introduce this proposal for you. If you have any doubts, please feel free to let me know. Okay. So this proposal was based on this location you offered, Thailand. Temperature is more than 10 degree and wind speed is less than 8 mile per hour. You can check if these parameters are correct because this is very important and we design greenhouse referring to this data. So in whole proposal, we include greenhouse skeleton supporting systems and the price quotation. And the next, I also list optional greenhouse types for you. You can also refer to it. And in our design, we take whole deep galvanized steel pipes as the structure. The zinc thickness is from 200 gram to 220 gram, comparing to the 30 to 50 gram zinc thickness galvanized coil pipes. Whole deep galvanized steel pipes has better effect on anti-corrosion and heat resistant, and the using life can reach to around 20 years. You can also check their difference from this picture. You can clearly see the welding line like this place. And the galvanized coiling pipe have more clear line than whole deep galvanized steel pipes. That is because the different craft and the different zinc thickness. We have been already running 28 years in greenhouse market. From the quantity, this is what we stick all the time. And you can refer to this picture and check their difference. And next is for the greenhouse size. And each span is 8 meters. Shoulder height is 4 meters. Comparing the traditional 6 meters design for each span, the proposal increase the effect using the space, which is good for ventilation and planting. The following details you can check them one by one. And based on our proposal, the foundation part we need to do like this: independent pre-embedded foundation. This can help the whole structure stronger and more stable. And the next is some drawings. You can know your greenhouse what looks like. You can see this is a plan view, and this is the real effect picture display. And the next is the supporting systems. It includes coverings, ventilation, cooling, shading. All of the supporting system can meet the basic conditions of growing the cannabis. Because of the small scale greenhouse, ventilation and shading, we design the manual operation. In this way, it can help you save some operational costs, and you can refer to this following details. And this part we can also discuss further. You can meet your demands as the actual, and you can see. And this is the shading systems. And this is a manual inner shading system. And all of them, the quotation is US dollars 18.33 per square meters without shipping costs, only the goods value. And if there are any doubts, please do not hesitate to contact me anytime. And this is another solution, so a single span structure like the following picture showing. And this type of greenhouse is economy, but it's only for rain prevent and ventilation. So you can choose this two types of greenhouse as your demands because This one is more economy, and that's not one I mentioned at the beginning, and this is the upgrade one. All right, that's all for this greenhouse proposals. The next is our factory information. And my factory are good at greenhouse design and manufacture from 1996. After 28 years of development, it has formed a complete process from design and manufacturing to transportation and after sales. Greenhouse projects are designed and the designs are marked, tested. Each project has dedicated departments to track and ensure delivery on time and on quality. We also regularly conduct a learning output for team members to ensure their professionalism for each one. And we also have a high-tech enterprise in China and have a number of patents related to greenhouse design. And for overseas project, we have special transportation standards to ensure the safe and smooth arrival of goods. Finally, here are some examples of our projects around the world, covering Asia, Africa, and America. Each project help us optimize the design of our greenhouse from the perspective of um, global growers, ensure the greenhouse it create maximum value for growers. Okay, thanks for your listening today. And if you have any doubts about my this greenhouse proposal, you can um, tell me anytime. And looking forward to your further feedback. Have a nice day. Bye bye.